When it comes to talking to your parents about dating, it's important to understand their stance on the topic. Being clear, direct, and honest with them will help you communicate why you deserve the freedom to date. It's important to be aware of any non-negotiables in your family, such as if dating is strictly not allowed. In such cases, it may be helpful to focus on the positive aspects of being single. Trust your instincts and avoid discussing dating or sex if you feel it's not safe. If safety is a concern, creating a safety plan can be helpful. If you encounter serious issues with your parents, it may be beneficial to speak with a counselor or trusted adult. When initiating the conversation with your parents, find a safe and distraction-free space and make sure everyone has enough time for a full discussion. Clearly communicate your thoughts and feelings and write them down beforehand if it helps. Be patient and listen to your parents' point of view, reframing their concerns to show understanding. Avoid arguing and instead focus on finding compromises that satisfy both parties.